parked his vehicle at Church Square, Panjim. And when he returned back, he found the quarter glass of his car was broken by some unknown culprits, and they became with the 4 luggage bag, which contains valuables like MacBook and other articles, all worth rupees 9 lakh. So immediately on receipt of this complaint, PI Panjim Nikhil Palekar registered the crime, and immediately he formed a team to detect this case and put them on a task. And with their painstaking and meticulous efforts, within 48 hours, under the guidance of PI Nikhil Palekar, they managed to apprehend those accused from Bathwara area and recovered the goods worth rupees 7 lakhs from those accused. The name of those accused are one Haider, son of Riyaz Khan, and the second one is Nizamuddin Jalegar, both resident of Bathwara.